Radhakshmi Joshi, political analyst, is joining us for more on this story. Radhakshmi Joshi, the NDA expected to be in a huddle today. We're learning Jitana Majhi will be arriving very, very soon to Delhi.
Good morning, Uday. Yes, the BJP is definitely reaching out to everybody who will definitely be a part of the new government. So everyone has actually shown their confidence in this new government. And even Mr. Nitish Kumar and even Chandrababu Naidu, they have all reiterated that they will only support PM Modi as the new Prime Minister. So I think that the NDA doesn't really have any issues about forming a new government. But even then, they're just trying to make sure that all the coalition partners, all the pre-poll alliance partners are still in place, and that they're also trying to add new people to it also, just to make sure that there will not be any problems or there will not be any friction, because right now, as you can see, there is no single largest party that has crossed the majority mark. So definitely, it is definitely binding on all the alliance partners now to make sure that the entire coalition runs smooth. And as I understand, I think Mr. Chandrababu Naidu will probably take over the role of a convener in this entire scheme of things, is what I understand, Uday.
You are exactly right, and I too also think that there will be no great hurdle to making formation of new government, especially for the NDA. Whatever the allies and their member, of course, they are having the first preference. Not only ally, but you can say the Nirdali type of the candidate, independent type of the candidate. Approximately 2019 or 20 candidates has won.
And of course, NDA has larger chances to form government. But the point which you are missing, and which is, Nitish Kumar's role and Chandrababu Naidu's role in the government, because what we see that they will be the Trojan horse, and they will push for the policies which the RSS and BJP doesn't want, especially Nitish Kumar.
Right. Let me, take that across back to Radhakshmi Joshi as well. Radhakshmi Joshi, what is likely to be on the agenda for Modi 3.0. Modi 3.0 now is all but certain. Perhaps things will be finalized today itself. And as far as Modi 3.0 is concerned, what do you believe will be on the agenda? Have we got a hint of the tone and tenor of the Prime Minister already through his victory speech last evening?
Yes, definitely, Uday. And I just want to clarify a few things that was said by the previous speaker. He was hinting at probably that Mr. Nitish Kumar and Chandrababu Naidu, they being the bigger players with 16 and 12 seats each, they have a possibility of moving over to the India alliance, is what he was hinting at. So I would just say that I would just want to remind him that looking at the numbers, even if they do that, then the other alliance is definitely falling short still by another 30 seats. So then they still cannot form the government. So, and then it is not very difficult for the NDA to get another 10 people to support them, because everybody knows that this government has been a stable one, and it has definitely not had any major issues. And just look at the number. I mean, it is 240. So that is not a small thing. So and in the other side, 99 is the largest party. So I mean, there is a huge difference. So I don't think that there is any question about that. That stability definitely lies with the NDA. And Mr. Narendra Modi, he has this plan for for the next 100 days, even before the election had started. So and even just a day before the results, also he again spoke with his cabinet ministers about the next 100-day plan. So he already has this thing laid out about what are the issues that they're going to take up. So he spoke about corruption is something that he's definitely going to go on with in even greater force, because he said that all of them have come together only for rescuing themselves from against these cases of corruption, which is something that I'm sure that a lot of us would definitely want to see. These corrupt parties who are trying to save each other's backs only because they want to get rid of the corruption cases. And then again he spoke about green issues, like he spoke about say maybe a green mobility, he spoke about green power, he spoke about empowerment of women. He spoke about youth issues. So there are all these things that are laid out. So I think that he is again focusing on education. He's speaking about empowerment. He's speaking about how, even in the defense sector, we can get even more Atmanirbharta. And in the last tenure, what he has done is he has completely turned around the entire situation from where we were dependent on importing all our defense equipment to a country who is today exporting defense equipment to a lot of countries. And that is not something that is a secret to anybody. So all these issues are definitely something that he's taking up, and he did not fall shy of mentioning that this is going to be the 75th year of the constitution, of drafting the constitution, because the constitution was something that the opposition was harping at, saying that this government is going to change the constitution. So he is somebody who has reiterated again and again and again that we are somebody who live by the constitution. So
That
he
don't
has
go by the words.
So
Don't go by the
has
words
said,
of Mr. Modi.
I don't know why I'm being interrupted, because I kept quiet and I was simply listening to everything that this person was speaking. So when Mr. Modi, he has very rightly pointed out that he lives by the constitution, and he has not really gone and made any drastic changes as such. But yes, there are some social reforms that will definitely come up, and I'm sure that Uday, there are all these issues, like say maybe one nation, one election, and you
Why?
said all of them will require some amendment to the constitution. So don't forget that in the past the Congress has changed the constitution. They have amended
Okay.
the constitution.
Okay. Let's get an
So
AK mission. Okay. Let's.
Yeah, it's a long lecture. Thank you for your long lecture. But let me come again very quickly. There's this election Congress and India Alliance has contested against all the odds with the NDA plus the partners, which is ED, CBI, and their favorite media. And one more, no. And first of all, Bharatiya Janata Party under the Narendra Modi is the most corrupt party, struck down by the Supreme Court. Excuse me. No, don't interrupt. Don't interrupt.
No,
Don't
you were
interrupt.
doing the same thing. So why should I?
No,
just
I'm really
pause?
sorry.
You were
I
doing the
had your
same
long
thing.
lecture
you
about,
kept on heckling me. So why do you expect
is
me
not-
to quiet and listen to what you're blabbering?
This is not
I'm
the.
not going to do
This
that.
will not be the Modi government. This will be.
This government was
This
corrupt.
will be
You have
NDA
to show
government
us
if
the
it was
proof. You have
formed.
to show us evidence.
This
Put up
will be
evidence.
NDA government.
And don't
It is
just say
formed. It
something
is no
different
more
out of
than
your
Modi
hat.
government. It will not be a Modi government. It will be most probably NDA government, where Narendra Modi's dictatorship has been controlled by 2-3 big players, and it will
If
be
he was a
success.
dictator, he would have got 400 power. He wouldn't have.
That's why he did not get, because
And you
India's people has rejected him, madam. India's poor people have rejected him. Adani Ambani's money
India's
hasn't helped
majority
him.
India people has selected to BJP, has selected to NDA, and
I'm
has
really
selected
sorry.
to PM Modi
It was
again.
NDA.
Aya
Whether-
to Modi hi na again. India has
Aya
voted.
Modi,
India has voted
ED,
for NDA.
CBI, ED,
India has
CBI.
no. Forget
All
about
the
it.
money,
CBI
Adani,
and
Ambani,
Supreme Court.
with
Why
media
you are not going
and
to make
social
a command
media.
since you?
You
No,
cannot
mister.
make the
Since you are not
accusations
into the
without
government
proof.
since last 10 years, that's why you are crying. Nobody is going
We
to
are
report
crying
you
because
since
the
you are
people
not
of
into
this
the government.
country, people.
Those
No.
days has gone.
One thing has to be very
when
clear,
Mr. Rahul Gandhi
that
was
your
not prime
propaganda
minister,
against
but
Rahul
he was
Gandhi
ruling. He
is
was
no more
dictating
working.
to the government.
Rahul Gandhi
This
is
is
no
not
more
that time
the
when
Pappu which
Sonia
you have
Gandhi was
crafted.
not on a
Rahul
single
Gandhi
post, but
is
he was dictating
Rahul Gandhi
to the prime
is the
minister.
leader.
best
Try
Is
to
the
understand this
leader
way.
accepted by the
Don't
people
utter
across the
any-
country.
Don't
You
utter
said
any
that in Uttar
uninsulted
Pradesh,
type of
the
thought.
Congress party will
What are
not
you
This is
flourish.
not
See,
2014.
Congress has won its
This is
best.
not 2012
Rahul
when
Gandhi is
Sonia
no more
Gandhi was not on
no
any
more
post,
the Pappu
not
was the
heading the
target of
government, but he
BJP,
was
what they were
running.
doing.
He was dictating to the Prime Minister, Mr. Manmohan
I'm
Singh.
really
Those who are thinking that this government will be derailed since a collision will be there, Chandrababu Naidu as well as the Nitish Kumar. See, all these three leaders, if especially we talk Narendra Modi or any BJP leader or Chandrababu Naidu, or you can say the Nitish Kumar, they are sharing equal type of the vision, equal type of the philosophy. All they are known for the development. They are not making the compromise over the corruption. They are inclined for the development. So I think whatever the government is coming, the agenda will be the same: zero tolerance over corruption and maximum growth, good governance. All these will be the common, whatever the common program is there. No change will be there. That's all.
it will do better, and it will be more inclusive with the coalition partners, and we will have a stronger foreign policy. Economy is doing well. 8.2% growth is quite impressive, and if they maintain that tempo, then we would be third largest economy soon, and the development infrastructure that he has built, that will continue. Modi is certainly strong on policies. Somebody was saying that they don't have the numbers. Remember 1996, 182. BJP was the largest party. Devagowda became the prime minister with 40 MPs. You see, Chandrasekhar became the prime minister with 42 MPs. So anything is possible, but it will be alliance government. India alliance government will be unstable government, and that is for sure. And the NDA alliance will be a stronger and a stable government.
या उससे पहले क्या क्या होता है
Will
ये जो इंडिया अलायंस
Will Rahul Gandhi become leader of opposition?
Rahul Gandhi is the leader of opposition. Whether it will be LOP in the parliament,
Ask your alliance
it doesn't
partner.
matter. It
Ask
doesn't
your
matter.
alliance partner.
Rahul Gandhi is the strongest face, and the propaganda, the shell around the Rahul Gandhi, which has, people.
Okay, let's hear the others now. Radhalakshmi responding to you.
3,000.
Uday, Rahul will have to ask all his alliance partners. And let me just remind Mr. Sunny that in 1991 was the last time that the Congress got anything close to 244. That was something that after that, the Congress has never won these numbers. So for the Congress, this is a winning number. The best that they could come up with was 99 seats, and all the alliance partners together, they could not even reach the number that one single largest party, the BJP, came up with. So that is the kind of the strength that they're talking about. So, that is how, that is a kind of a mandate that the country has given to the BJP. So I think that, whatever decisions Modi ji has taken, and just remember that the vote share has not gone down. So it is definitely a mandate that says that this country wants PM Modi for the third time, and we will see bigger, better, bolder decisions, and I'm sure that there will be a stable government.
All right, we've run out of time. My thanks to all of our guests for joining us on this discussion.